In this video, we will show you how to edit as well as send updates to events. We had set up an event called Introduction to 3D Printing. When you add an event to the calendar, it automatically will appear and display on your department calendar. Notice on this department calendar, there's our event Introduction to 3D Printing. When a calendar visitor is looking at the calendar, they can take different event actions. One such action is called Notify Me of Changes. When I select this event action, I can be notified if there's any changes about the event, such as a title, location, description, or time. I'll enter my name and my email address. Now you as an editor, if you decide you need to edit this event, there's a few ways you can edit the event. On your calendar, notice to the left of the time there's a blue drop-down arrow. When you click that drop-down arrow, you can click Edit Event. You can also click on the event title. This will bring up the edit page where you can now go in and modify and make a change to the event. Notice at the very bottom of the event, you now have a new section called Send Updates For, title, location, time, and description. The application is now tracking your movements on this event. If you make any changes to title, location, time, or description, these checkboxes will be checked. And when you click OK, an email will go out to anyone who said that they wanted to be notified of changes. In this example, notice we're going to change the event title. We're going to put a hyphen between 3 and D. This is enough to make a change to this event, and notice that the title has now been checked. If we also change the time from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., you'll also notice the time has been checked. And here you'll notice we've got the campus location, Odegaard Undergraduate Library. We're going to delete this location and click on Switch to Location. This now allows you to add an address or a location that's off campus. We now click Add Map Link. You'll notice with this address here, when we clicked Add Map Link, it could not find the location. When this happens, the location needs more information. So we're going to add Seattle, Washington, and try to click Add Map Link again. This was enough to allow this address to be mapped. You can also test the map link by clicking on the mapped location. All mapping will link to a Google map. In addition to this location, there's also a room at Harborview. We can actually add the room after you've successfully mapped the address. And for the campus room, since this is off campus, I would delete this campus room here and leave this field blank. If the changes you're making do not warrant an email to go out to a person, you can do an override and uncheck those options, and then when you click OK, no email updates are sent.